Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you. So today it's a very exciting day for me because I'm actually going to be doing a collaboration and I'm so excited about this. So it's the Rainbow Pastel collaboration, and this collaboration is with On Fleek Nails by Kiki, and you guys have to really go check her out. I'll leave her link to her channel in the description box. Obviously after you finish watching this video, don't forget I'm just joking with you guys, but she's really amazing, guys, and she's super sweet. She's like my new nail sister. I can't believe it that I found such a good community here on YouTube. So go ahead and check her out, and I just love her videos. It's so fun and so creative, and I think she's having a giveaway on her channel right now. So if you guys go on over there, go ahead and find her giveaway as well. Don't forget to check that out. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started and dive right into these nails. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm starting on these forever week old nails. I know, I'm so sorry, it's really horrible. I need to do a fill. I am going to do a fill, but you know, I'm waiting for something exciting to come my way, so I'm just holding out a little bit. So the first color I'm going in on my nails with is this Born Pretty color, and as you already know, I'll have all the colors linked in the description box and where I got them from. And I also really do recommend these gel polishes. They're absolutely amazing, and for their price, they're absolutely perfectly right. And also, this is my favorite color of all time, guys. Like, I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna go and purchase like 50 bottles of this color because I just can't run out. Like, I use it in every single video. I don't know why, I'm just obsessed. It's like the perfect nude for my skin tone. So I just went in all of my fingers except for my ring finger, and now I'm just gonna go into my thumb with the first coat. And once I'm finished going into my thumb, I'll go ahead and cure my full hand for 30 seconds. Okay guys, so now for the very fun part of this video, which is getting into some hand painting and just some ombreing or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with this color from Amy Lee, and I actually really do love these Amy Lee gel polishes as well. I do recommend them. They're from Amazon, and I'll have the link for these as well in the description box. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of just put out all the colors that I want, because I am gonna be mixing colors in this video. I think it's such a good way to just buy a few staple colors and then try to find a way to mix the colors so you can get the desired color that you want instead of having to buy a giant range of colors. Sometimes we don't all have the ability to just buy every single color that a gel polish collection has, but there is definitely a few ways that you can go ahead and tweak and adjust your colors to suit your needs. So for me, I wanted my colors to be more pastel, and I unfortunately don't own any really pastel colors, so I wanted to go in and make these colors more of a pastel shade. So I just went in with another white gel polish, which I'm just going to put on the side of each of these gel polishes, and then I'm going to go ahead and just try to mix them into one another. So actually a few of the colors I didn't really enjoy mixing them with the white gel polish because they are very sheer colors, so like the yellow and the green, but the pink and the blue mixed very well. The yellow is more of like a kind of like a jelly color, but not quite. It's very sheer and it's kind of neon. It's in between a neon and a jelly, but it's not quite there yet. So it has a very runny consistency, and I don't really like that. Sometimes when I do add the white, it does give it a little bit of thickness, but I do believe that you have to add quite a bit of white and then you lose a lot of the pigmentation of the yellow. And then similar for the green. The green is a little bit on the jelly side, but at the same time it's not. It's just a very thin sheer gel polish, but it's all very beautiful nonetheless. And I mean, I had to put in a little bit of extra work, but that was okay for me. So here I am. I'm just going in and mixing the colors together to get like the desired color that I felt like I wanted. So I mixed in the yellow with the white, the green with the white, the pink with the white, and then I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of white to that blue as well, just to, you know, enhance the brightness of the blue, kind of like make it more pastel like, so like brighter instead of darker. I don't know how to explain that. That was really bad, I'm sorry. But yeah, basically I'm just going ahead and trying to get the blue to be a little bit brighter instead of so dark. And then after, once I finish this, then I'll just get right into hand painting. So for the hand painting, I'm actually just going to go ahead and grab a gel brush, and then I'm going to pull the color, and I'm trying to pull the color kind of like halfway down the nail, maybe a little bit even past halfway down the nail. And usually back in the day when I was just starting out, I would kind of just use my finger to ombre, but I thought I'd try to be a little bit fancy today and not use my finger to ombre this gel polish and kind of go in with a brush. So I found a brush that kind of works for me. I like this brush. I do prefer my finger though. I do prefer the blending technique of my finger. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, I just want to be a little bit more cleanly, more sanitary for you guys. So I kind of just went in with the brush, and I did like the result that it gave me. I just would definitely do prefer my finger. So I am gonna go in with the pink, and then followed by the green color. And then once I get the green down, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat, and then try to drag out. I'm patting and kind of dragging at the same time to get the color to kind of fade out. I find it really difficult to ombre gel polish, so I don't know about you, but I definitely do. And then here I am, I'm just gonna go in with the blue, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So once I was satisfied with that, I just went ahead and cured it for 30 seconds, just a quick flash one, and then I'm coming back in with the second coat. And for my second coat, I'm going a little bit past where I started my first coat, so just a little bit further down the nail. And then after, I'm gonna go ahead and pat again and try to blend it upwards and kind of stop where the color gets more brighter. I did find it a little bit that the brush took off quite a bit of the gel polish in some areas and kind of left it a little bit splotchy, but I kind of made it work, so I wouldn't knock the brush. I think there are other techniques that do work a little bit better than this one. Not knocking my technique or anything, I've just tried other ones and they do tend to work better, but this is a one that kind of made work for this video. So if you do try it, then I'm not sure, you let me know how it goes. But for me, I didn't quite like it that much. And there's not very many things that I really don't like doing. I love playing with gel polishes, and I love finding out different things for us to do with them. So it's actually quite fun. This is like a learning experience. I don't hate it. It turned out really beautiful in the end, but I just feel like there was an easier way to get that desired look. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to all the colors, all the nails, all the colors, all the nails and all the colors. Okay guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video if you do like watching. And now I'm going into my thumb, and I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did to the other nails. So just painting the gel polish on and then going down the nail about a little bit past halfway. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the gel brush and kind of just stipple and pull the gel polish down to ombre it. And I went ahead and cured this nail for another 30 seconds, and I decided to go in with a second coat. Actually, for all my nails, I end up going in with 3 coats because I just wanted the color to be more opaque. They were kind of a little bit sheer, so I just kind of went in with a 3rd coat for them. I've used these colors like on a full nail before. Maybe the yellow one and the green one definitely are a bit sheer, but the pink and the blue one don't really need more than 1 coat when you do a full nail. But I think just with the fact that I added the white with it, it just kind of thinned out the gel polish a little bit, so I did want to go in with a 3rd coat. And I was doing very, very thin coats, as you probably can see. I was taking my time to build up the nails so it wouldn't get too crazy and it could ombre really nice and easy. So now I'm just going to go back in with Sycamore Street, and I'm going to go and place that up the nail, and I'm going to go a little bit past where the ombre is just to get it kind of more smooth and looking like really nice and have that ombre feel. And I'll do that to all 4 of these nails, and once I'm done that, I'll go ahead in with that same brush and I'll just, you know, kind of stipple it back downwards towards the ombre. And then after, it just gives it that really nice clean look, and I do 2 coats of this. Now here's where things get a little bit crazy. I decided that I wanted to go in with some gold foil, leafing foil. So I bought this gold foil gel and this beautiful gold foil that I got from Aliexpress. The foil gel actually was from Amazon, and I wanted to record this, but I didn't realize I was completely out of frame. Like for the whole time, I'm like nowhere to be seen, as you can kind of see right here. I'm just putting the foil gel on, and the rest of it was history, so I didn't bother to include it in the video. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. The gold foil was super easy. All I did was place it on the nail and ripped it right off, and it gave me this beautiful look, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed every part of this video, and don't forget to go ahead and check out On Fleek Nails by Kiki. Okay guys, bye now.